everyone, welcome to our today video. Today I want to teach you that what is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns, they are used to point out to nouns. We have four demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, and those. For example, this is a chair, or maybe that is a board, or these are whiteboards, or maybe we can say that those are cars. And also, if you want to change your sentences into negative, just you need a not. For example, this is not my pen, or maybe that is not Alice's house. These aren't my friends, or maybe those aren't English teachers. And if you want to change your sentences into interrogative, just you have to bring is or maybe are at the beginning of your sentence. For example, is this my pen? Is that Alice's house? Or maybe are these English teachers? Or are those my friends? It was about demonstrative pronouns. If you have any question, so you can ask me. And also, thanks for watching this video.